Dragonfire Tools, quality, affordable storage. Proud sponsor of our DragonfireTools.com studio.
You can find lots of toolboxes and you can find lots of workbenches, but Dragonfire Tools marries those together. What was the inspiration for your design, Lou?
In my own shop for the longest time, I had a wooden workbench and I had a stand-up toolbox. And I'd be standing there at the workbench working on something, and I'd walk to the toolbox and grab a wrench and walk back, and walk and grab a screwdriver and walk back. And I thought to myself, you know, I really want to have my tools right here where I'm working at. And when I looked out there in the market, nobody really made an actual workbench with integrated tool storage.
And now this is tool storage for the home workshop, but also for the pros who are taking advantage of the efficiency that you offer there. Why is it so important for professionals to be so efficient on the job?
Time is money in the automotive repair world. And being able to have your technicians have access to their tools right where they're working at is important.
And the pros are using Dragonfire Tools workbenches, so that means they have to last for a long time and stand up to a lot of abuse. What features have you built into these to make them last?
Our 14 gauge 304 stainless steel top is over 9 foot 4 1/4 long on this. And we have several different models. This is the 18 drawer Midnight Pro Series workbench. We also have the 20 and the 30 drawer on our site. From a construction standpoint, we looked at drawer construction. So we have 16 gauge galvanized steel drawer bodies, 14 gauge drawer fronts, and our deep drawers are double railed and they're also gusseted. So we have drawers that are rated for 200 pounds and we have drawers that are rated for 400 pounds. The frame on this workbench is 14 gauge tubular welded steel. So this unit comes fully assembled like you see it.
Whether you're a shade tree mechanic or a professional, DragonfireTools.com has the workbench that's going to be right for you. And if you go to their website, you type in the code Motorhead, you're going to get free shipping and a discount. This Chevy Silverado truck looks great on the top and it looks fantastic on the bottom. Now what if I told you that this truck is 12 years old and for its entire lifetime it's been pounding around here in the salt and the ice of New Hampshire. But you don't have to listen to me talking about New Hampshire oil. Listen to one of the customers who's been coming here for years.
I found this one nice and clean, want to keep it like this, and this is a New England truck right from beginning, and I knew this was a place to take it, to start it on this program and keep it going. Happen to work for the state of New Hampshire. We plow and salt the roads. I don't have to do the brine stuff myself because I'm in the secondary roads, but you see it on the highways and stuff when they got to put in the solution. And when you get running your trucks over it and stuff, that actually gets in the little spots a little bit more than your crunchy salt will, so to speak. We just decided to start oiling our trucks. And we were laying on the ground doing it ourselves, and Joe's set up and deering quite a long time ago in his barn and had the lift and everything. And I said, well, it's a lot better than laying on the ground. And then he just kept moving up from there and got better and better oil. And it's incredible. It's good stuff. It just lasts. And we actually sold some rigs that Joe had oiled for us in the past. And the people were amazed, no rust on it, you know. And they were New England trucks. And it works. Stuff works. They go right to every little nook and cranny. Do a good job with it and nice facility. I don't know, it's just great. Top-notch service all the way around.
Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, returns right after this.